Blair, Nebraska, US, June 12, 2024.
My mirror, my windshield, there's glass everywhere. That's
Severe storms were reported in Omaha, Nebraska, with sightings of large hail falling in some areas, meteorologists said. Lots of folks will have to clean up Thursday from large hail that fell Wednesday evening in the Omaha area. Storms may fire up again Thursday afternoon and evening in far southern Iowa and northwest Missouri. More storm chances into the weekend. Isolated tornadoes and flash floods are possible, though the threat is lower. The hail has caught everyone's attention in Nebraska, hitting hundreds of vehicles in Blair, about 30 miles from Omaha. Residents reported a number of dented bonnets and broken windshields, according to local media reports. Currently, city officials are still calculating the losses suffered due to the storm. Several videos circulating on social media show hailstones the size of baseballs shattering windows and damaging the walls of houses. Civil protection officials in Blair said roads were flooded and trees had fallen.
Getting a little hail tonight in Omaha. I don't know if you can see it at all.
In Blair, residents shared photos on social media showing large hailstones and the damage they caused. A resident also posted a picture of his car being dented, the windshield broken.
That's all hail. You can hear it coming down. Lights are flickering. There goes our.
In Omaha, smaller hail fell to the ground. Officers had to help motorists out of high hail drifts while others waited for snow shovels to remove their cars, media reported. Hail piled up to 2 feet deep in parts of the Omaha area. Hail forms in thunderstorms with strong updrafts, or winds that rise through the storm. Even in the summer, precipitation begins as ice in the highest levels of the storm, and then falls to the ground and melts into rain. But in a storm with fast rising air, the ice particles can stay lofted in the sky for much longer, and the longer they stay up there, the larger the hailstone can grow as moisture accumulates and freezes on the particle.
sounded like what? Falling water. Oh shit, that wouldn't be good.
The National Weather Service said the highest risk for severe weather Thursday was centered in parts of northern and eastern Nebraska, western and southern Iowa, and northeast Missouri. Officials say there's the potential for a derecho system, which is a storm of strong straight-line winds spanning at least 240 miles.
Oh, shit. Sounds like my windows are going to break.
An outbreak of severe thunderstorms also is expected in parts of Illinois, Kansas, and South Dakota. Officials say baseball-sized hail was reported Thursday afternoon in northeast Nebraska. Meanwhile, the summer heat arrives today and Thursday as temperatures are expected to reach the 90s and the heat index will hit the 100s. According to the National Weather Service, Hastings, a weak surface low-pressure area will develop in the Nebraska Panhandle. The result will be a tightened pressure gradient across the Central Plains, causing southerly winds to increase. By late morning, south-southwest winds are expected to be sustained at 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts to 30 to 35 miles per hour. The southerly winds will likely bring little relief as temperatures will reach into the mid and upper 90s and the heat index value will reach the 100s in some places on Wednesday afternoon. Overnight lows will remain warm, with the upper 60s in south-central Nebraska.
Stay away from the front windows.
Yeah, it is like pelting that craft room window.